case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the legal case Mastandrea v. North, heard by the Court of Appeals of Maryland in 2000, the focus was on how property owners can be granted a variance for their construction endeavors without damaging critical areas. This can be achieved through adherence to the zoning ordinance requirements, and necessitated the granting of such variances to avoid discrimination against persons with disabilities. Between 1992 to 1996, Dr. and Mrs. John P. Mastandrea, as the property owners, embarked on developing their land in Talbot County. They constructed a home, swimming pool, tennis court, pier, garden, and, crucially, pathways that allowed wheelchair accessibility for their daughter, Leah, who suffered from muscular dystrophy. Realizing the necessity for these pathways, the Mastandreas applied for a variance with the Board of Appeals of Talbot County. This request was based on the mandatory accommodations for their daughter's disability, as protected under the Americans with Disabilities Act and the Critical Area Law. Due to substantial evidence supporting the request, the board granted the variance, offering a path for Leah to navigate her surroundings and, more importantly, enjoy her property with minimal hindrance. However, this decision was challenged, which led to the involvement of the Court of Appeals of Maryland. The higher court, upon review, upheld the decision of the Board of Appeals of Talbot County in Appeal, number 1053. The court viewed the granting of the variance as a necessary accommodation for Leah's disability, preventing discrimination and enhancing her ability to reasonably use and enjoy her property. The case was then reverted to the lower court to continue proceedings, aligning with the decision of the Court of Appeals. The verdict represented a balancing act between protecting critical environmental areas and upholding the rights of persons with disabilities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.